Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for attractions on the booking.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should tap on this attractions button at the top. Then you will be directed to a page where you need to type in your destination into this "Where are you going?" bar. So tap on it and then select the destination where you would like to go. Tap on it and then select your date. Tap on the search button next to it, and here you can find the available options, so the top picks. Here you can find the most popular attractions and the lowest in price. You can apply filters as well if you would like to in terms of the categories such as tours, activities, landmarks, museums, attractions, and so on. You can indicate your price range and select the city as well. Then tap on the See Availability button. After finding the most suitable attraction, you can check it out. You can check out the price, the deal itself, what's included, language options, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.